Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today we have a pretty big Celine unboxing. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have an unboxing. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to show you the things that I have in this Celine bag today. I was not planning on actually getting any of this. To be completely honest, I was messaged by my Celine SA and he's amazing, and he asked if I wanted to be part of their event. Now, they apparently were putting out some new ready-to-wear pieces. They have some like staple pieces as well, but they also had some new stuff. And he invited people that he thought would enjoy it, and me being one of them, I was like, absolutely, I would love to come see the pieces. So we booked a time and I showed up. I was so excited. I have never been invited to any kind of like fashion house event or anything that they were doing. It was really nice. It was like an honor to be like invited. It was an honor to be thought of. I was not planning on buying anything, but alas, I left with not one, but two pieces. And I'm here to unbox them for you today. I just got home about an hour ago. Let me know in the comments what you think it might be, and let's just get started. If you can see here, we do have the Celine tape that is still taped up. There we go. And also, he was so sweet and he gave me this Celine Triomphe candy. He gave me and my husband one. And I didn't even know that they made these little candies. They're so cute. I wonder if they're sour or if they're super sweet. They look like they would kind of be sour. So if they are sour, then that would be amazing. If they're super sweet, I'm sure they would still be really good, but I love sour candy. So that was a really nice addition. First thing that we'll start off with is this right here. And this beautiful Celine box, very nicely packaged. And at the event, it was actually really interesting. They took you into like this back room that I didn't even know they had. It was upstairs, and then inside the Celine area I had macarons. They were literally delicious. Like, I don't think I've ever had macarons that were that good. Here's the first piece that I did pick up, and these, I cannot believe that they actually had them in the store. Like, I have on my Google, like I have multiple tabs open on my phone, and this one had the tab open because I like to go back and refresh to see if it comes back in stock online, and it still said that it was out of stock. So I asked, oh my god, I forgot these came like this. I'm literally shocked. I forgot these came like this. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. If you cannot tell, they're sunglasses. Are you shocked? Absolutely not, because I buy sunglasses all the time. I don't need any more sunglasses, but here we are. I'm so happy right now because I totally forgot they came in this kind of sunglasses case. Alyssa Lenore actually has these same sunglasses. I think they're really, really nice sunglasses, and I think she showed them on a video, and she showed like the sunglasses case, the holder, and I just completely forgot they came like this. This case is so beautiful. So it doesn't come with like a hard case. It's got like this leather kind of sunglasses holder, if you will. I'm glad that he did remember, because he could have just given me a regular sunglasses case and I really wouldn't have known the difference. Here we go. Oh my goodness. You can like put these, like wear it on your neck like a lanyard or something. Or maybe you could even string this through a belt loop. I don't know, but I totally forgot these came like this. These have been out of stock online for so long, and I told him that I had the tab open and that they were still out of stock, and he said, oh my god, we have those downstairs. I was like, what? He was like, yeah, the green and gold, we have them downstairs. I'm like, can I please look at them? So he got me a brand new pair. Of course, I had to say yes because these are just incredible. Are you joking? They don't look green right now. They kind of look like black or brown gradient, but they are green. It's a very dark green. Like you honestly can't tell that much. But in certain light, the lenses do indeed look green. And they have the Triumph logo on the side right there. And then the back has tortoiseshell. They fit so nicely. They're a little bit tight, which I don't mind. I like my sunglasses to be a little on the tighter side, but I hate it when sunglasses fall off my face. But I am obsessed with these. Like, are you kidding? I love them. This will be my second pair of Celine sunglasses, and I just think they're perfect. I love them. They say Celine on the nose pads. You're not gonna be able to see that. Yeah, but they do say Celine on the nose pads. They're not heavy by any means, but they do have a little bit of heft. Thoroughly obsessed with these, and I'm so glad that they come in this little holder. Like, that's so fun. You could just like wear it a crossbody like this if you wanted to. Like, you could even probably put like a card holder in here. It doesn't have to be only for sunglasses. You could probably put like your card holder or keys or something inside of here and just take this with you if you wanted to do that. And then the next thing that I got, the next and last thing that I got, but this is like the big boy purchase. It blows my mind. And I genuinely have like imposter syndrome. I'm like, who do I think I am? Like, what? I don't know. I'm so grateful that I am able to even buy these things. Like, I absolutely love this that's inside this box, but like, it still kind of blows my mind, and I'm like, what? Who do I think I am? I don't know. You're never gonna guess what this is, but when you see it, and I'll try it on for you, when you see it, you're gonna be like, oh my God, that's amazing. Here's the paper. Ooh, I didn't know they came in a dust bag. Beautiful little dust bag that honestly, you could even turn this into like a little backpack. Into like one of those like string backpacks like this, and then you could take it to like the gym or something. Oh my God, everything is like so multifunctional. It's insane. So, do you know what it is? Do you know what it is? Oh my God, oh my God. Yes, guys, these are Celine denim jeans. These are stunning. I tried them on in store, of course, and they fit literally perfect. I just love every single thing about this pair of denim. So if you look on the front, you have your gold detailing, which I love the fact, well, this actually, the Celine button is kind of like a brassy color right there, but then you have this gold Triumph logo detailing on both sides. This is a size 28. I'm normally a size 27 in denim, but it was actually another girl that got these for me. I forgot her name, but she's from Australia. She's the cutest thing I've ever seen. They're all so sweet and nice in there. She actually was like very adamant about me trying on the denim. She was like, please try these on. I have to see what they look like on you. And I was like, okay, great. They literally put me in an entire Celine outfit. It was very fun. I initially wanted to get like one of their tank tops. It was just too cropped, so I didn't end up getting that. But the jeans, I just could not get over how good they looked. Like, I put them on. I honestly thought they weren't going to look that great. I thought they were going to be like, fine, they're jeans, whatever. They are probably the most beautiful jeans I've ever had in my life. Incredible. I love the Triumph detailing. They're kind of like a vintage wash. You can see they are straight leg. They have two pockets on the back, of course, and then they do still have belt loops. So if you wanted to wear a belt across, like if you did not want the Celine hardware showing, then you could put a belt through the back two loops and then just loop it to the front. I will show these on. I will try them on here in the next clip so you can see. Okay. Here are the jeans. Sorry if you can see the ring light. Just look. They just hug the waist incredibly. Like, I've never had jeans that just fit perfectly. Like, they fit like they're custom. Like, these feel like custom jeans, like made specifically for my dimensions. Sorry all the mess down there, but they're the perfect length. They can be worn with my boots. They can be worn with sneakers. Literally, I've never had a better pair of jeans. And then of course, you can see the little Triumph logo. Oh, these are just the best things ever. Or I might have already tried them on and like put it in the video, I don't know yet, but you will see these on. I have never had a pair of denim look this good. No other branding, nothing on the back or anything like that. I kind of wouldn't mind if there was like a Celine Triumph logo on one of the butt cheeks, but I still do like the fact that you have the logo on either side right here. This kind of is probably enough logo. The denim is made in Japan, which is insane. I was even like Googling in the dressing room while I was trying everything on. I was Googling, are Celine jeans worth it? Are they, you know, that great? And like literally every single thing that I was finding is how good Celine denim is. Apparently these will last forever. I'm so in love with these. They're beautiful. They have zero stretch. None. But it's okay because they just fit so good on. Like, you don't need any stretch. They are high-waisted. They are 100% cotton. I am so excited. I, again, was not expecting to really pick up anything today when I went. I wouldn't have even gone over there to where my Celine is if my essay hadn't texted me a couple of days ago and asking if I wanted to come. Like, I wasn't even planning on going. It wasn't on my radar. Very excited. I'm very happy that I was able to get these and that I was able to freaking find these sunglasses. I love them to pieces. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Guys, let me know in the comments what you think of my unboxing today. Let me know what was your favorite piece. Are you more of a sunglasses person? Do you like these more? Or do you like the jeans? Let me know in the comments, or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!